What's up guys, I'm Andrew here with the Blob Squad and I'm joined today with
Erica Canitz.
Today I'm joined with
Dr. Jonathan Morris from the Department of Physics and Engineering.
And today we're doing Blob Squad Tries Physics Club. Can you tell us what is Physics Club and how someone might want to get involved?
So Physics Club is a club that's open to anyone. You don't have to just be a student within the Department of Physics and Engineering. So if you've got any interest in astronomy or just kind of how things work, then definitely it's a club that you might be interested in. And in terms of the things we do, we have activities every year, things like social things like bowling or virtual reality, things like that. But also we go to national labs and other kind of science places around the country.
So you can find us on EngageXU, where you can sign up for the club and then get emails about events. Otherwise, if you talk to anyone basically in the physics department, they'll tell you to come join and go to the events.
Can you tell us about the upcoming solar eclipse? Maybe what Physics Club is doing for it and kind of what the significance of the eclipse is?
So the solar eclipse is going to be a total solar eclipse going through Ohio on Monday, April the 8th in the afternoon. It's the first total solar eclipse going through the US since August of 2017, and it's the last until 2045. So if you haven't ever experienced a total solar eclipse, then the moon will pass in front of the sun, completely block out the light coming from the sun. If you're in a region of Ohio that's the path of totality. And when you're in the path of totality, you'll be able to see the atmosphere around the edge of the sun. That's called the corona. What happens at that time, it goes completely dark. The birds will think it's nighttime, the insects will think it's nighttime, and you'll start to hear chirping as they start to get ready to go to bed. And then it'll be dark for a few minutes, and then the sun will come back out of from around the moon, and then you get into the dawn. And so during the total eclipse, you have a sunset, 360-degree sunset on the horizon. So it's spectacular. The thing about Cincinnati is we're just out of the path of totality. So here will be 99% of the sun will be covered. So that 1% is bright enough that you won't be able to see the corona, and it won't quite be as spectacular as if you're in the path of totality. If you're on campus, to be able to see the path of totality, to be able to see the total eclipse, you need to go just north of Cincinnati. So Dayton, Oxford, Ohio, even like Jungle Gyms and Fairfield, that's far enough north to see totality.
I know the physics department and club has ordered a lot of glasses, so that way people can look at the solar eclipse.
We will be distributing those at the library, at the Gallagher Center, and at the CAF. So they'll be arriving sometime in mid-March. Also on March the 14th, we have Dean Regas coming to give a presentation. He's an astronomer, he's an author, he's a PBS and NPR presenter. He's coming and he'll be talking in the Kennedy Auditorium from 7 until 8 o'clock on March the 14th to explain how to see the eclipse, what the eclipse is, and things like that. So everybody is welcome to come to that at 7 o'clock on March the 14th.